Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted a Starline i96 Pro with a Scorpion S5 tracker. We're using at the moment Bluetooth authorization. You can use push signals as well. This is just easier for the customer. If you notice, it's actually green at the moment. So if I jump in the vehicle, turn the main ignition on, I get that melody start, and I can select a gear and drive away. Okay, straightforward to use. If I'm taking the car for a service and I don't want to disclose obviously a code and put it into valid mode, as long as I'm within range and within the vehicle, go into the app, Bluetooth is on, put my finger on the key, hold till it goes to amber. When it goes to amber, release, you'll get 2 bleeps. There you go, this is now in valid mode. So obviously if you turn the ignition on, you'll hear no melody. We'll be able to start the vehicle and drive away. Put it into gear and drive away. Okay, let's just take it out of valid mode now. So basically jump in the vehicle, Bluetooth on within range, hold it again till it goes back to green. When it goes to green, let go. 2 bleeps and it's out of valid mode. So now, if I try and take it out, or should I say turn Bluetooth off, you'll see how the vehicle actually immobilizes. So I'm going to show you now. Let's just turn Bluetooth off. Bluetooth is now off. Someone's cloned this key, jumped in the vehicle, started the vehicle up, or tried to start it. As soon as I start it and put it in gear, the vehicle shuts down. Okay. Now say for example the customer wanted to use a push sequence. On here we've done something very basic just for this video, but we're going to change it after. So I'm going to show how it works. So if I weren't using the phone, I'll turn the main ignition on, insert a code which we're going to change after the video. 1, 2, 3. Wait for our melody, and then start the vehicle. There you go. And we'll be able to select a gear and drive away. Okay. Also, if you want to place it in valid mode, this is very, very simple. And the way we would do that is main ignition on. Oh, sorry, we just didn't leave it long enough, so it disarmed within 10 seconds. So let's just turn it off. Give it about 10 seconds to set. So first of all, we're going to disarm it, and then we're going to put it in valid mode using the push sequence as authorization, obviously, and disarming it and putting it in valid mode. So main ignition on, insert the code, receive our melody, then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cycle the start button off and then back on. 2 bleeps, that's now in valid mode. So now if I leave it 10 seconds, you'll see it will just start. We'll get no confirmation, disarm, and we'll be able to select a gear. So let's just obviously start the vehicle. There you go, start the vehicle and put it in gear. Okay. Once we get the vehicle back and we want to take it out of valid mode again without the vehicle running, main ignition on, insert the code, 2 bleeps and it's out of valid mode. So now if I leave it, give it 10 seconds to set, you'll see that the vehicle will be protected. I do have other videos on how to pair a phone, obviously, and change the code. But I mean, you can refer that on our YouTube channel. So let's just start the vehicle. Vehicle starts, put it in gear. Bang, vehicle cuts out. Okay, as I said, this is a Starline i96 Pro. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you, bye-bye.